If you work in Excel often, you've probably seen spreadsheets with different colors for different tabs, and that just helps you organize and know what tab you're on if you have a bunch. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and it's very simple to do. I am hovering over one of my tabs now, the first one called Orders, and I'm going to right-click and hit Tab Color. And then here is my selection. I have a bunch of theme colors offered right off the bat. I also have standard colors, no color, more colors, and eyedropper. If I go to more colors, I'll get a whole spectrum of colors. So here are my reds, but I can change the hue by just sliding the slider over. And I can change the saturation of the color by going to the far right here, or I can go down and get a darker color with more black. And yeah, so you get a lot of options. However, I don't want all those options. I'm going to stick with my standard colors. But before I change anything, I also want to show you eyedropper. Eyedropper works if you have colors already on your sheet. So it's going to reference one of those colors and choose that. So right now I've got eyedropper selected. I'm going to go to my color. The only color here is this blue, so I'm going to select that. And now you can see my tab is that color blue. I don't feel like you'll be using eyedropper often, so I'm going to go back and just select a standard color instead. But I did want to show you that. So now I'm going to do the same thing with each of my tabs, changing them all to the next standard color. You'll notice that the tab is a bit lighter when it's selected to indicate that it is selected. So as you can see, when I select green here, it's kind of a lighter color. And then when I click off of that tab, it becomes darker. If you want to delete any of these colors, doing that is very simple. All you have to do is go back to the tab that you want to delete the color from, right click, go to Tab Color, and then select No Color. And as you can see, the color is gone. So it's pretty simple and very useful. I hope that you guys found it useful yourself. And if you want more tips and tricks in Excel, please join me in my playlist. Thank you guys for watching.